Yan.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to another exciting edition of the Philippine Sports Writers Association Sports Forum. And we are live here at the conference hall of the Philippine Sports Commission building inside the historic Rizal Memorial Sports Complex in Manila. And this morning we will have a two-part session beginning with one of the most popular team sport in the country, volleyball. No? And later on, we will have hopefully Chairman of the Philippine Sports Commission, si Chairman Patong Gregorio, for his reports sa kanyang first 100 days in office. I'm Randy Calumog of Manila Standard. Good morning.
Yes, 1 year in
1 year.
office.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's not to be corrected.
Yes, good morning, partner Randy. Good morning, PSA. Hope that you are with us through our live streaming sa pamagitan po ng Facebook page ng PSA, fb.com/Philippine Sports Writers Association. This also being aired on a delayed basis over Sports Radio. Ang ating pa rin Sports Radio 918 sa AM band. Judith Karinga po. Good morning.
Bago mo pakilala ang ating mga puro gentlemen, honorable gentlemen sa lakong volleyball, we would like to thank our sponsors, Philippine Sports Commission, Philippine Olympic Committee, San Miguel Corporation, Arena Plus, and Milo Philippines.
And yes, we are so happy to have here with us one league which played a big part in the revival of volleyball in the country. So we are referring to the Shakey's League. This is the Shakey's Super League Invitational Conference. And we have the organizers from Athletic Events and Sports Management Incorporated, President Dr. Ian Laurel. Hi sir, welcome to the PSA. Welcome back. And then ang ating mga executives, si Sir Gino Panganiban, hello po. Sir Allen Reyes, hello. And two coaches from participating schools and clubs. We have Coach Obed Javier from Arellano. Hi Coach Obed. And Coach Wata Makalangan from Pusong Asul. Ateneo yan, Pusong Asul. Good morning gentlemen, welcome to the PSA Forum. Yes, Doc, kamusta po?
Good morning, everyone. It's always an honor to be part of the Philippine Sports Writers Association Forum, and we always value the partnership between our league, the Shaky Super League, and the support and friendship, if you may want to call it, with the Sports Writers Media Group. So we do have 3 conferences every year. We just finished the first one, which is the GVille. 44 high school teams competed. This is actually our second conference before we end with the third, which is the pre-season, where all the UAP and all the NCAA teams join. We will start on Saturday, and being the invitational, traditionally what we would do is to bring in teams from Mindanao, from Visayas to come over and compete with the Manila-based teams. That's what we did during the first year. Second time around, we did the opposite. We brought Manila teams to Davao, to Cebu, to Batangas as part of that concept that we want to be able to share with our teams from the provinces yung level of competition and play that the Manila-based schools are used to, or they want to see if they are at par with these top level schools. This year is very different, it's very special. It is something that we align with the push of the good chairman of the Philippine Sports Commission, Chairman Patong Gregorio, regarding sports tourism. So this time we have foreign teams coming in to compete with our local teams. Thank you. Thank you. And it's something that we were surprised in the beginning because a lot of these foreign teams knew already the Shaky Super League and how big volleyball here is in the country. It's really a timing issue. We have 2 teams coming from the United States. One is from Guam, one is from California. And remember, baliktad yung kanilang school calendar doon. So, we really had to make time for them to be able to join. Kasi nga ngayon, bakasyon sa kanila. So they have the time to compete, they have the time to participate in leagues outside of the United States. We also have a team coming from Australia and a team coming from Vietnam. So all these teams are excited to come over. In fact, multiple arrivals are starting today before the start on Saturday. Now, what I can say is that with this effort of the chairman together with sports organizations like us, for sports tourism to be at the helm of how we conduct our events and how we run events, I think it brings a different standard to the sport or whichever sport runs it, because it's really something that we try to put a good image about how we run things and how we take our organization seriously. So, maglalaro po kami, high school division. This is the first time that we're doing a high school division in the Invitational. It's always been a collegiate competition. But with the growth of the high school division, dun sa liga po natin, we thought that it might be a good idea, and it turned out to be one, na magkaroon ng dalawang division ng Invitational, a high school division and a collegiate division to follow right after. So we start July 11 for the high school. Tawid agad yun on July 19 for the collegiate division. So tuloy-tuloy. Dalawang
2-in-1
division. Yes, for this year.
conference.
Thank you to our main sponsor, Shakey's, for allowing us to entrusting us to make this very challenging endeavor, especially in these very trying times. No, alam naman natin yung crisis, but again, we're very thankful that we're able to manage and push through with this event. Yan.
Doc, yung...
Dami na sinabi.
yeah.
Hi, Julius Manigat. And Aba Cordero.
Kita mo, 18 mo.
Ako, siyempre. Walang ginawa na, kundi mag-ano, hampas lupa.
Alright, Doc. Yung foreign teams na, yung visitors natin, will play in both collegiate and division.
No, we have two teams. The Guam and the California-based teams are competing in the high school. But for the collegiate division, there's a strong Vietnam team. Alam naman natin the rise of Vietnam. So they'll be coming from the Vietnam Academy of Volleyball Academy. So there's a volleyball academy in Vietnam. I found out. That's why maybe the success that we've seen, elementary, high school, it's like a seamless program for Vietnam. So I'm very interested to see the team coming in from Vietnam. And we have a club team coming from Australia, also competing in the collegiate division. So we have Vietnam and Australia in the collegiate, and then the two American teams from Guam and California in the high school division.
Doc, paano po ang play dates?
I pass it on to
Yes.
Serginho, who's
Yes,
in charge
please.
of our